Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Uh, our training will start at 3 p.m. Okay, just wait for 4 minutes. Yes, and during our training, if you have any questions, you can comment on the Zoom chat box. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, and today is our Duoke online training. Uh, and now we will begin now. So at first, I will tell that today our training will be divided into three parts. The first part, I will introduce the main function of Duoke, and the second part, I will tell you how to set the functions. And in the third part, if you have any questions, you can comment on the chat box, and we will reply to your questions. Okay, so now I will begin. Okay. Okay, so as we can see here, Duke is a global e-commerce intelligent chatbot systems that can manage 200 stores with one person. Yes, this Duke. And we can see here that Duke has the customers all around the world, and especially during here, for example, the Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, here. And in China, we have the mainly customers of our customers are, uh, yes, are around here. Okay, and we can see here is the platforms that we can authorize our stores with stock. The first one is the Shopee and the TikTok, Lazada, Tokopedia, AliExpress, and Facebook. And in the future, we will have more platforms. Yes. Uh, okay, and here is the platforms that we support. Okay, and here is the main functions of Duoke. The first one and also the most important one is that we can reply in bulk. Yes, means that we can authorize all our stores in Duoke and we can reply messages to the buyers. And the second one is that we support the multilingual translation. And the third one is the auto reply and the AI chatbot and order management, customer service management, data analysis, ticket management, negative order recovery, and we also support the mobile application. Okay, and now we will look into each functions in detail. So reply in bulk is the most important and basic functions of Duoke. As I have said before, that this function means that we can aggregate messages from multi-platforms and multi-stores, including the Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, and other platforms. Yes, once we have already authorized our stores in Duoke, that we can reply the buyer's messages in Duoke only in one platforms that we can reply the messages. So it will be very convenient. Okay, so this is the first function. And the second one is the multilingual translation. Why we should use why we need this? For example, that we have to sell our products to the overseas or to the different country, so that we have to chat with the different the buyers that has the different languages that we need to use the translation. And the third one is the auto reply. And the third one is the auto reply. The auto reply means that the auto reply is I think this is a function that can help us to mm, confirm the reply rates of our stores. And the next one is the AI intelligent chatbot that we can see here. Okay, after this section, I will reply the questions. Okay. So the AI intelligent chatbot that we can say from here is that it can help us to save human efforts, and it can improve the order conversion rates, and also can help us to consolidate the resolutions rate. Okay, and here is the main functions of AI chatbot. And in this training, we will not introduce the AI chatbot in details, but in the next training, we will introduce the AI chatbot. Okay. Okay, and the next one is also a important important functions. It is the order follow-up management. Means that if you use this function, that it will follow up on each key links of buyers' orders and can stably enhance store's revenue. Yeah, so this is helpful. Okay, and the next one is the customer service management. Means that we can and this function is that it will we can set a customer service schedule here, and also it will show the reply rate or the messages that the customer service have replied in our stores, that all the statistics will show here. Okay, and so as the data analysis means that here we can say the data of our stores and the messages, the reply threads, and many other many other data will show here. Okay, and the next one is the mobile application. Means that we can now Duoke support the mobile application, so that we can use the mobile phone to reply the messages. And if we are during vacation or we are off the job that we want to reply messages, we only need to use our mobile phone to reply. Yeah, this is very convenient. So if you want to download the Duoke application, you can search on for example, the application store that search the Duoke that you will see, and you can download the application. Okay, and also if you want to download the application, you can come to the website of the Duoke here, and we click the download here, and here we can say here is the first one, the desktop, if we want to download it on our computer, and if we want to download on our mobile phone, you can download here and click here and scan and scan the code and download the application. And also if we are Apple, we can download here. Okay, so if we want download, we can download here. Okay, click the download page. Okay, so here is the first part is it's a basic introduction of the Duoke. Okay, if you want to know more things about Duoke, you also can come into Duoke website. Yes, you can search the Duoke.com here, and it will come to the Duoke. And here we can say the main functions of Duoke here. Okay. And also, if we have problems during the using, the first thing we can do is that we can click here and we can ask the customer service online to help us. Yeah, for example, here, if we have any questions, we can search here, click here, and also we have the WhatsApp and the Facebook, and also we can use the email to connect with our Duoke customer service. So here, and another way that we can get help is here. Click the help here, and here we have made the main functions, the introduction and the then how to set each functions we have already. Yes, we have already write the details of each functions here. So if you want to get help, you also can, yes, you also can help. You also can click the help page and come into here and search what you want to know here. Okay, here is another way. Okay, and then and here is a summary of the doc. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I will change the slide. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. So now can you hear, can you see my screen now? Okay. Oh, sorry. I will tell again. Okay. So, okay, thank you. So here is the website of Duoke. And if we want to know more about Duoke, that we can we can go to the website of Duoke. Here is the website, and here we have listed the main functions of Duoke. And also, as I have said, if we want to get help, yes, that the first thing we can do is that we can click the consult customer service here, and it will turn to a customer service box that we can chat here. Yes, if we have any questions, we can ask here, and the customer service will reply to us as soon as possible. Yes, so here is the first way to get help. And also, here is the customer service online. And also we have the WhatsApp. Yes, we have the WhatsApp group and the Facebook and the email can also connect with our customer service. Okay, so here is the first way. And the second way is that I have said is we can click here, the help. Yes, the help page here, that we can search which function we want to know, and we can write here, and it will turn to, for example, auto reply. Okay, and it will turn to here. Okay, so here we'll introduce what is auto reply and how to set the auto reply. Yes, we can say here. And also we have made some videos. And if you want to know more about Duoke and the functions, you can also look at this. Okay, look at these videos here. Okay, so here are the two ways that we can connect and we can get help from Duoke. And also, if we have any questions, we can chat on our WhatsApp group. We are willing to help you to, yes. So, okay, here is the first part, and the second part, I will tell you how to, yes, how to set the Duoke function. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'll change my page. Okay, so can you see my new screen now? Here is the login page of Duoke. Okay, thank you. Okay, so how to log into Duoke? We have to use the emails that we have signed up, and also if we don't have a account at that, we can click here, sign up, and we can create a, yes, we can create an account for us. Okay, so use the email and you can enter the password. Okay, and you can sign up. Okay, so if we have already have an account, that we can click here to log in. So if we have already logged in, we can see this page. Okay, this is the yes, this is the chat page of Duoke. Uh, and if we are the newer to Duoke, that the first thing we need to do is the store authorization. So here the setting service and the store authorization here, that we need to authorize our stores with Duoke, and we can choose the platforms that we want to authorize. For example, Lazada, and we click the add stores here, and we choose the stores that we want to authorize. The site here, we can choose here, and to order it will turn to the Lazada page, and it will tell you how to log in. Okay, so if you want to know the details, that you can click here, and it will show you how to authorize. Okay, and also the Shopee, Lazada, and we also support this one. Daraz, Tokopedia, Facebook is also yes support. So if we want to authorize, we can click here to authorize. And if we have already authorized our stores to Duoke, that it will turn to this page. This is the chat page. Yeah, the first one, chat page. And here we can see on the left, here will stand the stores that we have already authorized with Duoke. And if we have many shops with many stores that we want to select the one that we want, and that we can select here. Yet we can enter the name of the store, and we can select here. Okay, and here is the name of the store, and here will stand the messages that buyers have sent to us, that it will show here. Okay, you can see. As we can see, it will be a little different with the former. So we can say that the platform will stand here. For example, this is a Lazada, and this is a Shopee, and this is a TikTok. It will show here. Yes, the platforms will show here. Okay, and also here is the name of the buyers, and here is the stores. The names of our stores will show here. Okay, so here is all the messages that the buyers send, that the buyers have sent to us will show here. And the second one is unread, means the messages that we have already we haven't read will show here. If we have that, it will show here. Okay. And the second one is the not replied, means that the messages has not been replied will show here. Okay, and here also have three button. That the first one is the expressing soon, means that these messages will be we should to reply it as soon as possible. Yes, it is now less than 6 hours. Okay, and the second one is that the needs response. Okay, and we also can say, and the third one is the overdue, means that the means that we oh sorry. Okay. Okay, the third one is the overdue, means the buyers have been waiting for too long. And if we don't reply these messages, it will affect the chat response rate of our stores. So this one we need to reply it immediately. Okay, so there is the three states of the unreply. Okay, and also here is the max. The max means that we can create by ourselves. Here, for example, I will show you the marks. For example, we want to mark these buyers, that we can click here, and we can use the mark to yes, we can use the mark to use the tag to mark the buyers. For example, is the pre-sale. Okay, it's a pre-sale. We can confirm it. Sorry. Okay. Oh, if we don't have this one, we can here to create a pre-sale. Okay, save, and we can say here. It will show here. So if we have already saved and we can select and we can, okay, so we can say here we'll have the pre-sale mark. Okay, so here is the that we have make the tag and we'll stand here. Okay. And here are the filters that the Duoke have set for our have set, and we can use it. I will introduce the important ones. For example, the to process means that there are some important messages that we have to handle immediately. For example, maybe the buyers have give us a bad review to our stores, and it will stand. And if we have this one, that it will stand here, and it will also have a logo here. And the second one, AI reply means that if we, AI reply means that if we have used the AI chatbot and the messenger, the last messages of the last messages is being sent by the AI, that the messages means that AI reply. Yes, that if we want to check that if the AI reply is correct, that we can click here to select the messages that AI replied, and we can check whether the AI reply is correct. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. And the next one I have said is the unread, and the not reply we have already said. And also here, other we can say is that the pre-sale messages, and we can also select here, and the after sale messages, and also can select here. So these are the tasks that the Duoke has made for us. And here are the marks that we have set by ourselves. Okay, these two are very useful. And we can see here is the chat page. Here we can chat here with the buyers, and we can see here we support the emoji, image, video. Here we can send all this to the buyers. Okay. And on the right, we can see is the order, product, voucher, and the ticket. Okay, we can see here, and it will if we have already for example, if we have already set the new products on the maybe on the Shopee, that the product will also seek here, and we can send it to the buyers immediately. It will be very convenient. And also we support the coupon means that, but here we should notice is that now this function is only support the Lazada and the Shopee. Yes, now TikTok is not support now yet, but in the future maybe we can support. Okay, and also the ticket. The ticket here means that if we are chatting with the buyers, but the problems now we can't handle, so we need another one to help us, that we can create the ticket, and we can transfer the problems to other customer service, and let him to help us to handle this problem. Okay, so this is a ticket. Okay, also at the bottom we can see here is the search. There's the search area, and here we can use the buyer name, the order, and the tracking number, and also some chat histories to search. For example, if we want to see this one, we can use the name, for example, little and we can show here. Okay, we can show here, and we can come to chat with little as immediately. Okay, so here is the chat page of Duoke. And here is the thing that I want to notice is that now the on rate is that if we have more than one customer service, yes, we have more than one customer service to help us to to reply the messages that the on rate is each people has the for example, if the customer service A has already read the messages, but the customer service B has not read, and it will if A have already read, that will not change the state of the B. Yes. And so here maybe it's not easy to understand. So I will tell you how to set it. And about this part, we can set the chat reception settings here. Okay, so it's on the settings service and the chat reception settings here. As we can see, here is the things that we have to set for our stores. Okay, we can click edit here. Okay, so the first thing we need to choose is the chat assignment. We need to choose the mode that we want. Here are two modes. The first one is the allocation by stores, means it will suitable for if we only have one customer service responsible for each stores, that we recommend that we can use this one. Okay, but if we if we have more than one customer service, and means that we have more customer service to reply the stores messages, that we can choose the second one. It will be more convenient. And also here, if we have already choose the senior allocation, and we can assign to each people, we can choose who will respond for this. We can choose here. So these two modes are suitable for different situations. So if we have one customer service response for one store, that we can use it. But if not, we recommend the second one. Okay. Okay, and the second one is the chat end time. Means that we can say that here the first one is the session timeout ends, means that the session remains in progress and will automatically end after here we can reset by ourselves. We want to set it for for example, for 6 hours, but according to our customers, that many of our customers will set about 1 or 2 hours here. Yes. Okay. And if we wanted to end the chat by ourselves, or merely end, that we will not choose this one. But if we want Duke to help us to end the thread, that we can click here. Yes, it means the buyer stays silent and the thread ends. Yes, if we want to end by ourselves, that we don't need this one, and we can and this one can be longer. But if we want the Duke to help us to end the thread, that we can choose this one. And and here we can say here means that if there is no new messages within minutes after the seller replies to a conversation in progress, the conversation will automatically end in silence. Yes, and here many of our customers may be used 5 minutes within 5 minutes. Yes. Okay, so here is the chat ended. We can choose the different mode. Uh, uh, here we can see here. Here is the end reception button. Here we can end it by ourselves. But if we don't want to use this one, that we can set. Okay, we can set. Okay, that we can set this one. That it will be automatically end. And also we will have after on offline, for example, we have already off the job, yes, so that we will not reply the messages. So when the messages come in, it's what will be yes, the messages will come to where. So here we should to set the after the account is offline, that we shouldn't to choose whether the original on the reception chat will still be received by this account, or the chat that was originally on the reception will be reassigned to. Yes, and the first one means that if, for example, if Lucy is in charge of, the receptions, and but now is the time that Lucy have to off the job, so she may not, she may cannot reply. Yes, cannot make the reception, and now we have to choose whether we will left these messages to Lucy, or whether we have to, yes, we have, or whether we have to resign the receptions, and it can be, yes, it can be assigned to other customer service. So we can choose here. And for the most of the time, we will, yes, we recommend the second one. Yes, means because the messages will be, if we have other customer service can help us to reply the messages, that we can use this one, and the buyer's messages can be replied immediately. So if we have set this one, that we can save it, and it will be on effect. Okay, so here is the setting page. And also here we should notice is that here are 3 states of account, and we can see here. The first one is the mail account. The mail account means that also will be the boss of our, yes, our stores, and the management. Uh, uh, and the mail account can view and reply to all conversations. Yes, and the second one is the management account, means that this one is that we can set by ourselves, that it can view and reply to conversations in authorized stores. Yes, we can set which store and what permission we want the management account have, and we can set here. And the second one is the customer service account. It can only view and reply to assigned conversations. So here are 3 states of account that have the different permissions. If we want to set the permissions of each, yes, each account, that we can go to, yes, we can go to here, staff management, and it will turn to here, and here we can, the first thing is that we should to add an account, and the second one is that we can, for example, here, we can, yes, we can add the users and the permissions that we want the account to have. And I will tell it in details next. Okay. Okay, now we will back to the chat reception settings. So here is the yes, is the set page of the chat reception. Okay, so if you have any question about this part, and you can comment. Yeah. Okay, so here is the first and the basic functions of Duoke. And the next one I want to tell is about the market. Okay, I'll say the questions. Okay, if we wish to bind a Facebook. Now the Facebook that we have we support is the professional profile. Yes, the professional page. Still, can we still edit our messages once sent to? Okay. Maybe. Okay, let's say okay. Yes. Okay, and then I will. Okay. Okay, and now I will introduce the next function. Okay, my partner will help me to answer the questions for you. Okay, and the next one I want to introduce is a new function of Duoke. It's a TikTok message broadcast, and the function is here. Yes, the marketing tools, and we click the TikTok message broadcast here. So so why we need this function? For example, if we want, if it's on a big sale, for if the big sale is coming, or if we want to upload the new products of our stores, or if we want to tell the buyers that because for example this product is out of stock, that we may need to, yes, we may need to deliver it later, but it's maybe it's a amount of buyers, so that we have to use the broadcast to help us to send the messages. So we come into this page, and we click the add task here. We can create a task. And the first one is that we have to name the task. For example, it's for the big sale. Big sale. Yes, is for the 88 big sale. And here we can choose if we want to send according to the buyers with a tag, or if we want to, yes, we want to send according to the orders. If we want to, yes, if it's about the tags, that we can click here to select the buyers that with the tags here. And we can click here and click the confirm. Also, if we have more than one stores, that we can select the store first, and then we can select the tags here. Yes, and here is the things that we can select the buyers that we want to send the broadcast to. Okay, and also we can use the orders. You can use the orders to yes, we can use the orders to choose the buyers. For example, okay, here if we have the orders, that we can click here, and and it can it can support up to 500. So we can click here. If, for example, I will select here and okay. And the third part is about the content what we want to send to the buyers. And the first thing, maybe we want to need the buyer's name, or maybe is hello. Yes, this one, the 88 pixel is coming. And maybe we will want him to know that this coming and we will have a big sale. Yes, we will. Yes, for example, at this one, okay, we can yes write here, and also we can uh, set the image. For example, I have this one, okay, yes, and we can send this one also. And also here we can select the products that we want to send the buyers. Yes, if these are new products that we want to recommend to the buyers, that we can select here. Cause I don't, cause yes, my store don't have the product, so here will not stand. But if your store have the products that you want to select, you want to send it to the buyers, that you can select here. And for each time is we can select up to 3 products. Yes, we can up to 3 products. Okay. And if everything is okay, that we can click the send. But if we want to confirm later, that we can click the save. Okay, so we can say the task and will show here. And if we want to edit it, and we can click here. And if we think this one is not okay, that we can delete it or we can edit it. And here we can see here is the name. Yes, here is the task's name, and here is the status of this broadcast. And if we have already sent out, that it will change the status. And also it will show whether the broadcast has already sent to the buyers successfully. And here will show the numbers, and whether it's failed, that will show here. And also if this one is failed, it will have the reasons why we failed, and we can send it again. Okay, so here is the message broadcast only for TikTok. So maybe you want to know if we want to set the broadcast to the Lazada or Shopee, that we need to click the message broadcast here. And we need to add the task. This may a little different from the TikTok. So also the first thing is that we have to name. Yes, we have to name it. For example, for the Shopee sale. For example, and the second thing we need to do is that we have to download the file and to upload the file. Maybe I will show you. Yes, we can click the import template, that we have to download the template. Okay. Okay, let me open the profile, open the file. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay. And if we have already downloaded, it will be shown here. Okay. The file will be like this one. The first one, there are 2 things that we have to write. The first one is the marketplace that we have to write here. And the second one is the order number. Order number we have to set here. And these two that we need to write. But and the variable one and variable two is not, yes, if we don't have that, we don't have to write, it's okay. But this two is that we need to, yes, we need to write. And then we need to write it correctly so it can be sent to the buyers. Okay. So come back. Okay, so we come back to this one. And if we have already finished the file, that we can click the upload, that we, yes, for, because we don't have, um I write, for example, the Thailand and the number, for example, like this one, and I have, okay, and I will upload. And we can say, yes, the file has been uploaded here. So here is the buyers that we want to send it to. So we must write the correct one. Okay. So next is also that we need to write the messages that we want to send to the buyers. And here we also can use the buyer names here and the messages that we want to say, we want to send to the buyers, and we can write here. And also here are the pictures that we can add. If we want to add more, yes. And here we can say that we can also add the task if we have more than one messages want to send to the buyers. We can click here, add the task. Or if we want to send the product, we can use the product and we can select the product. And also, if we want to send the voucher to the product to the buyers, it's also here. Here we can say send. Yes, cause I don't have the voucher, but if you have, you can send to the buyers. And also the products can be selected here. Okay, so if everything's okay, that we also can click the send. And if we want to, yes, edit later, that we can click the save. Okay, name, for example, 88 big sale shopping, and we can click save. Okay. Oh, cause I don't have read, I don't have entered the things, so it may not affect. But if we have already write all the things, that we can click save or click send to the buyers. Okay, so here are the message broadcast of the TikTok, and this one is for Shopee and Lazada. It will show here. If we want to, yes, use this function, we can click here. Mm. Mm. Okay, and if you have problems about this one, that you can, okay, you can comment. And the next one is I want to introduce this quick reply. The quick reply, as we can see here, have the two status. Yeah, two. Yes, the first one is the general message. General message template means that, if the messages have been here, that the messages can be set and can be saved and can be used by anyone of our shop. Yes, but if the private messages template means that these messages can only be saved and only be used by ourselves. Okay, and we can set, okay, sorry. Okay. And we can set according to the platforms, and also here we can set according to the countries. Here we can set here. And how to set? The first thing is that we click the add here, and we can write the things that we want to send to the buyers. For example, maybe this one is for the first time we chat with the buyers. Is that hello, welcome to my shop, to my store. Yes, for example, is this one, and we can write the shortcuts is hello. Maybe it's hello, or maybe it's hi, it's convenient, more convenient. And we can choose which site we want to use this. And for example, if we also can select all, or if we want to select the Indonesia or Malaysia, yes, that we can. Okay, we can click save here. And okay, so okay. Okay, so we can say Malaysia we have already set, and it will show here. This one means if we have many message short.
auto connect 回
If we have many.
auto connect 回
Sorry. So this one means that if we have more than one messages, that we can set the the priority of each one. If this is the first one, I need to. If this is the first, if I have already set this is one, and it will show on the top. Okay, so this is the priority. This means the priority. Okay, so this will, and if we have already set, the message shortcut on our computer, that we can use it on our application. Yes, on our mobile phone, it also can use. And we can say which here. The chatbot is that here we can say the messages. Here, the quick reply will stand here. Okay, so here is the quick reply, and the auto reply, okay, is here. The auto reply, as I have said, that it can help us to confirm the reply rates of our stores. Yes, so if we want to set that, we can click the settings here. Okay, so at first we have to set the response time, and we have looked into details. It means that it can automatically reply when the customer service does not reply in time for more than like 10 minutes. That the messages will send to the buyers. Okay, so it will help. So which time we need to set, that it will according to the rules of the platforms. For example, the Shopee maybe is the first time response rate, yes, will and the Lazada maybe is a 10 minutes response rate, that we can set the minutes that according to the rules of the platforms. Okay, and the second one is that we can choose the frequency of the reply. The first one means that we auto reply once to the same threads in which minutes we can choose here the minutes, or we don't want it to reply frequently, that we can choose a long time, for example. Okay, or we only want it to reply to the threads in once in 24 hours in a day. We only want it to reply once, that we can use this one. Okay, and here is the things that we want to send to the buyers. Maybe maybe here we want maybe here is for the off work offline. Yes, for example, we the customer service have already off job, that we can set this one and it will reply to the buyers. Yes, here we can tell the customer service online time. Yes, and we can tell the buyers when we will reply the messages, and we can set here. Yeah, we recommend that if we have already used the auto reply of Duoke, that we'd better turn off the auto reply of the platforms. Yes. Okay. So if we have already said that, it will stand here. And here is one thing that we have to notice, is that here we have to open this one. If we have already said that we have to open, yes. If it's not it, if it is disabled, that it will not send to the buyers. Okay, so if we want to it be enabled, that we need to, yes, we need to turn on it. Or maybe now here we can click here enable, and it will be in effect. Okay, so here is the auto reply. And here, and another thing I want to recommend is the order follow-up management here. As I have said, that this function, it will help us to follow up on each key link of all of our order, and can help us to increase the store revenue. And I will introduce the most important and most useful ones. Okay, so we can look into the first one, is the order reminder. As we can see here, it means that the buyers have already consulted about one product, but he has already consulted but not place an order. So we can send a messenger to reply the buyers, to remind the buyers to, yes, place the order. Uh, and if we are the first time comes into this page, and we will have the default strategy. But if you think the default strategy is not suitable for our store, that we can click this small pencil on the right here. And we can come into the edit page, and we can edit the, yes, edit the task by ourselves. For example, this is the order reminder. Okay. Order reminder. Maybe it's for Shopee, that we can read right here. And we can select the stores, which store we want to use this function, that we can select here. Okay, and we can choose if this one is for all the products or only for the specific products, that we can select here, and we can choose the product that we want to, yes, we want to send, and we want this to be effect. So if we'll choose this two, and this will send here. And also we need to choose the time here. Usually usually this don't need to be reset. Yes. Okay, and then we will choose the first order reminder time. Yeah, here we can, if we want to send it more than one time, that we can just click here to end. But if we only need need a one time order, that we can cancel, we can delete it. And also the second, and here we can delete it. And but if we want to remind it for more than one time, that we can, yes, we can add reminder and it will send it to the buyers more than one time. Okay, and here we will choose the set time. The set time that means that did not pay after buyer consult about the product. Yes, maybe for 30 minutes. Yes, maybe the buyers have already consulted about the products but has not placed an order more than 30 minutes, that we will send the messages to the buyers. For example, the product is very useful. Yes, very useful. And now it's on its own big sale. And you can buy it. For example, you can buy it. Yes, that you can write what you want. And also we if we want to name the buyer's name, and we can add here. And also if we want to add a picture, that we can add here, for example. Okay, that it will if the buyers is on this situation, and this will send to the buyers. Yes, here is the first time reminder. And if we want to the second time, that we can send here. And if we only want to once reminder, that we will delete the second one, and it will be like this. Okay, so if we have already set this, that we can click the save. Okay, and it will be shown here. Okay, so here is the order reminder, that it can help us to remind the buyers to place an order. And the second one is the payment reminder. The payment reminder means that if the buyers have already placed an order but not paid for the order yet, that we also can send the reminder messages to the buyers. And the same as the order reminder, that we also have the default strategies. If we think this is not okay, we can click the pencil. Yes, click pencil to edit. And also, if we want to set a new one, that we can click the add task here. And we can set a new one by ourselves. Here are the same, the name the task and select the stores, and here are the choose the products. All the products are the specific products, and also what we want to send to the buyers, and when we want to send to the buyers. Yes. Okay. So if we want to create a new one, that we click the add tasks. And if we want to edit the default strategy, that we can click the pencil. Okay. Okay, let me say. Okay, so here is the second one, payment reminder. And the third one is the order confirmation. The order confirmation means that the buyer has already placed an order and pay for the orders, that we need to confirm the details of the orders. For example, we have to confirm the SKU, all the orders, all the things that the buyer have placed. And also we need to confirm whether the address or the phone number is right, so that the packages will be sent to the buyers, correctly. That we can use this one. And also we can add a new task, or also we can just Yes, just add it or just reset the default strategies that we can write here. For example, if the confirmation, yes, that's also we need to select the stores and the products and time and when we will send to the buyers. For example, 5 minutes, yes, after order payment. And here we will send the things that we want to, yes, we will write the things that we want to send to the buyers. We can write here, please, yes, yes, we can write here. Okay, and here, and here we can use the variable. For example, the customer's address, check this one customer's address and order number, and the things that we want. Hello, for example, buyer's name. Hello, please track this one that we want the buyers to track, that we can write here, and it will send to buyers, and the buyers can track the things so that we can confirm the order is correct and can be sent to the buyers correctly and immediately. Okay, so this is the set part. Okay, this is order confirmation, and the shipment delay. The shipment delay means that sorry. The shipment delay means that maybe it's because the big sale that we have many orders have to ship, that or maybe it's because some emergency or other things that we can send the we can ship the packages to the buyers as we have already arranged, that we have to send messages to the buyers. Yes, we have to say sorry that we can, sorry, maybe it's because of the, yes, the big sale that we can send, we can ship the we can ship the packages to you as we have already arranged. We are very sorry for this. Yes, for example, as this, that we can write here. And also we need to name the task and select the stores. For example, we only the TikTok store and the products, the time, and the send time here. We have to select by ourselves. Okay, as we know that the platforms will have the rules of, yeah, the shipping time. For example, maybe it's 3 days, or maybe it's 72 hours, maybe it's 48 hours, or 24 hours. So this time we can this time we need to set according to the rules of the platforms. Yes, different platforms may have the different rules. So this one we should pay attention, and we should look into the rules of the platforms. Okay. And for example, here we will write the 72 hours. If we can ship the orders to the buyers within 72 hours, that these messages will be sent to the buyers. We need to apologize and tell the buyers why we can send the send the orders as we have arranged, and when we can send the orders to the buyers. Yes, we can set here. Okay, so if it's okay, that we also click the save. Okay, and here is the shipment delay. And the next one is the shipment reminder. Means that the buyers have already, yes, placed the order and have paid for it. That we that and we can ship it on time, so we can send these messages to the buyers to remind the buyers to be care to be care, yes, to care or to care for the packages. Okay, sorry. So this is a shipment reminder, and also if we want to set the if we want to set this feature, that we can click here. Yes, we can click here to add it. Also the name, the select the stores, and the products time, and the messages that we want to send buyers. And if we need more than one strategies, that we can click here to, yes, that we can add more than one strategies. And also here can choose the priority of each one, which one we want to send. We want to send to the buyers first, that we can click here. Okay, so this one is the shipment reminder. And the delivery reminder. The delivery reminder means that the packages have already shipped and is delivering. So we so so we can send the messages to the buyers. It will, according to the logistic status, is yes, is set as delivery, that these messages will be sent to the buyers. Yes, so it's according to the logistic status. Okay, here we will remind the buyers that your package is being delivering, that you should take care, and maybe the person will take a call and yes, will tell you that your package will be sent today, that you should take care as the things. Okay, as it is the same, that we have to name the task and select store the products and the time, and also what we want to send the buyers, that we can write here. Okay, and if we have already set that, we can click the save. Okay. Okay, and the next one is a delivering failed reminder. Delivering failed reminder means that maybe it's because of the wrong address, or maybe it's because of the wrong phone number, or other things, that the delivery is failed. It's also according to the logistic status. Yes, the logistic status will be turned to delivering failed, that we can send these messages to the buyers. And we will tell the buyers that the delivery is failed, and when we will deliver again, yeah, we will tell the buyers when we will deliver again, and when we will call him. So we want the buyers to take care. Okay, so this is the delivering failed reminder. And the next one is the receiving confirmation. Receiving confirmation means that if the logistic status have been changed into signed successfully, means that the buyers have already received the packages, that we will send a messages to the buyers, and we will tell the buyers that you have already received the products. Please check it. Yes, please check the products, whether it's broken, or whether, or if you have any questions, you can connect with our customer service online like this. So we also can reset here the small pencil, and we can name the task and select the stores. the product's time and the messages we want to send. Yes. And for this one is that we want the buyers to confirm the orders and also the products he has already received. And also we want him to click yes, that he have already received it. That help our stores, yes, to confirm the orders immediately. Okay, so this is the receiving confirmation. And the next one, okay, and the next one is a review reminder. The review reminder means that the buyers have already received the package, the orders, right? And we want the buyers to make a review for our stores. Yes, as we know that review is very important for our store rates. And also, if the products have more reviews, have the reviews like it have the messages, pictures, or videos, it will be very helpful for new buyers. So we really want the buyers to review for us. That we also can send a reminder to the buyers that we want him to review for our stores. And also if we want to, yes, create a task, that we can click here. Okay, yes, here's a default one, but if we want to set by ourselves, that we can also click the add task here. And also the same, the first thing is the, yes, is name the task and then select the stores and then choose the products. Yes. And also the time and the messages that we want to send it to the buyers. Yes, for example, if you like the product, yes, yes, please, yes, please left, please give us, please give us a good review, for example. Yes, for example, as this one, that we can send it to the buyers. And if, okay, and we can click this, because I don't have the stores, because my store can't be selected, so I can't save it. And if you set, if you want to set here, you need to select the store the products here and write the messages want to send to the buyers, and it will, and click save, and it will send to the buyers. Okay. So here are all the important things about yes, order follow-up management. If we want to set each features, that we can click the marketing tools and click the order follow-up management, and it will turn to this page, and we can click into each one. That here we can say we can set and add a new task for ourselves here. So here are all the things about order follow-up management.
Duoke training. Pukul 3, saya pukul 5.
Okay. And there's last thing I want to introduce is the customer service management, as I have mentioned. Yes. Okay. So okay. So this one is, so why we need this one is that if our store is more than one customer service, Yes, we need more than one people to help us to answer to reply the messages that we need more account. Yes, as I have said, we have the main account and also now we need to add account. It means like the sub account that we click here to create a new account. And let's see. Yes, okay. As I say, okay, here, the first thing that is we will click the email, for example, like Tina. Yes, email, and the name is Tina, and the password, for example, is like this one. Okay. Yes, we can set it by ourselves. Okay. So we should pay attention to the rules. Okay. Okay. So it will more than 8. And we will set the store permission. For example, we will select, I want Tina to be in charge of the Lazada shop, that we will select the Lazada shop. Okay. We will select, and I will choose the role for Tina. For example, he is CS2. Okay, we will select here. And here we can, yes, as we can have set the chat reception settings that we need the our customer service have the role and the permissions that we can set here. For example, we can set the customer service. Yes, it will only have the reception set, and if it's the administration, that it will supervising sessions. These two will have different permissions. For example, I only want Tina to be a customer service that we will save. Oh, sorry, cost. Okay, sorry. Maybe I will delete one. Okay, I will reset it. Yes. Gmail.com. My name is Tina. Okay, and I have set. And his role is this one. And it's a customer service, and click the save. Okay, so you can see here is a new account that I have set for Tina. So if you want to set create a new account for your customer service, that click here. Okay, only the main account have the right to create the sub account. Okay, so if we have already create an account for Tina, and if Tina want to log into Duoke, that she can use the email and the password we have set for her, that she can log into Duoke. And also the role management means that, for example, I have made Tina to the CS2, that I want what permissions that I want I will give to Tina, that I will click here to set the permissions. Here we'll show all the permissions of our of the functions. So we can select the permissions that we want the Tina to use. For example, the basic reception, I think Tina needs this one. And but the business management, I don't think she needs, so I will click it out. And after sale management, and also the efficiency tools, for example, I have set the quick reply, and auto reply, ticket manager, and so on. This one I think she need, that I will give the rights, give the permission to Tina. Okay, so here are the details of each function, what we want Tina to have, and what what I want to be in charge of, that we can set here. And if we have already, yes, we have already choose the thing that we want Tina to be in charge of, that we can click the save. Okay, so the CS2 will have the rights that we have already set. And if we want more, yes, if we want other people, yes, other customer service, that we can select here and we can click him. Okay, and we can confirm, and it will turn to, yes, this role. So here, so this is how to set a sub account and how to set the permissions of each role that we can set here. And if Tina have already logged into the Duoke, that she will only see the permissions that we have set for her. Yes. Okay. So here is the customer service management. Uh, so so here are all the things that I want to introduce today. The first thing is the chat, and I have introduced the order follow-up management and the message broadcast and a quick reply, auto reply, yes, and also the store authorization, customer service management, chat reception settings. Yes, all about these functions. If you have any questions, you can comment. Yes, because we have many functions, so we cannot, yes, introduce all of the functions in one training. So about other functions, for example, the AI chatbot, or maybe for the review or other things that we can, yes, we can introduce in the next time. So if you have any questions, that you can comment on the chatbot. That okay. Mm. Mm. Oh, okay. Because this time we have many new functions. So if you have any questions during using, as I have said, that you can connect with us on the WhatsApp group, or maybe on our website. Yes, on our website, and yes, here, or maybe we also can help ourselves, that we can help click here, that we will, yes, we will search the functions that we want to know here. Yes, and also if you have any new demand, that you also can tell us that, and we will record your demand, and we will tell our product managers. Yes, everything we do is that we want to help you, yeah, help our customers to have a good user on Duoke, and help us to reply the messages efficiently and quickly. Okay. So maybe here are all about today's training. Okay, so so if you have more questions, you can ask now. And if you don't have a question now, but you have further questions, we also can chat on our, yes, on the WhatsApp. Okay, on the WhatsApp group, that we also can chat the problems. Yes. And also, if you need, if you want other, if you want any training about other functions, you can tell us. Yes, you can tell us on the chatting group. Yes, that maybe we can chat on. We can train next time. Okay. So. Okay. Yes, as the TikTok message broadcast, these are the new functions of Duoke that you can use now. Oh, there are also one thing that I want to notice is that if you click this small button, here is the to-do list, and here will stand the important messages that you have to handle. For example, the negative review management, the refund order, the order cancellation, the ticket management, and the order tracking. Yes, this will show here, and if and once we have logged into Duoke, that we can say what we need to handle immediately. That we can click here and we can handle it immediately. Okay, so here are all the things about today. Okay. And so if you don't have any questions, that today's training is here, and after the training, we will send the record to the chatting group, so that to the WhatsApp group, so that if you want your customer service to look at it's okay, we will send it to our WhatsApp group. Okay. So here are all the things about today's group, and if you don't have any questions, that we are over here. And thanks for all your time. Okay. And okay, and okay, then we will end today. Okay, bye bye. See you and have a nice day.